Hi, this is Manoj actually, standing in front of my company, Fully Signed Advertising Requisites Trading LLC. We have an office in Al Quoz 1, which is located near Dubai Bowling Center near Business Bay. It's very good location area. You can connect from Al Quoz Industrial Area, Jumeirah, Business Bay. It's just 1 kilometer from the nearest three areas. You can reach up very fast. Our company, the full name is Fully Signed Advertising Requisites Trading LLC, and we supply completely digital printing materials supply. So we supply banner, flex, block-out, outdoor stickers, lamination, 4x, foam board, corrugated, double side tape, form tapes, glues, LED transformers, LED strips, LED modules, and all the materials. In one point, you can get all the materials here. As well as we do have a beautiful gift shop here. So it's almost we are doing this gift business for the past 12 years and as a family business in India. We just started here and it is almost 3 years completed in Dubai now. It's an additional business joined with Fully Signed Advertising, same trade license. So you can see this brochure, it will be having all the details here, which we supply corporate gift supplies with printing, personalized gifts for the customers, hotel related accessories we all supply, all display stands supply with printing. We have cap printings with embroidery, beautiful embroideries we make. We make roll-up stand supply as well as we do roll-up stand printings also. We do have a different types of roll-up stands, which is 85 by 200, black roll-up stands, luxury roll-up stands. We have a small tabletop roll-up stands and so many. And we do have umbrella printings. We do all type of umbrellas with your branding names. We supply paper bags, plastic bags, canvas bags, and jute bags, and everything with your brand names. And the very best rate, we are bringing these things from India directly, from a best factories, so we can afford you a very good rate. We do shopping bags also, and we do a small cover bags also for the customers. And we supply aluminum, stainless steel, traffolite, and we make customization in that. Example, if you go for any shops, you can see the name boards like shop number 15, shop number 20, like that, or name badges, or no smoking. All this one has been done in aluminum and stainless steel. We can make everything for you. And mugs, we do a beautiful mug printings here, and we have brochure printings, and we supply LED transformers for the signages, safety materials like coveralls. We do shoes, and we do glasses, safety glasses, and everything we supply for the construction companies. And we do all acrylic fabrications, like if you want to make A4 stands or tissue boxes, or like if you want any office acrylic tables, partition tables, we can make it customization in any sizes from 1 mm to 20 mm acrylics. And we do sports bottles. We are bringing directly from China. You can see more than 200 above models here. So all the bottles are available, and you can choose your bottle, and we can brand your name on the bottles. Now I just love to introduce my shop, a small shop, but we'll be having a big warehouse with good stock here. So I can just take you a small ride on my shop. I'll just take you inside. You can see what and all we are keeping here as a samples. Anytime you can visit here. Anytime you can visit my shop, and you can see the samples, and you can feel the quality of the sample. And at the same time, we can make all type of embroidery works for you. And this is how my shop. Yes, just this is just outside of the shop view, that we can keep it a lot of notebooks, which we can brand your names. The fastest moving product, notebooks. And we do branding in clocks, we do branding in USB pen drives, memory cards, power banks, sports water bottles. We do print it in the calendars, we do print in profiles, we do print in plates, clocks, and also we do print in t-shirts with embroidery, screen prints, rubber coaters, and bags. We do printed in pens. We do print in keychains. We do printed in calendars. And we print in dolls, direct print on the dolls with your brand names or your kids' names. And we can do a sublimation as well as we do the direct printing here. We can do that. And acrylic, if you want to brand your names or anything, you can see it. Okay. And we have the media materials available for printing. Already we have a good stock here for any type of printings in digital. Okay. So the main part is we do printing in digital printing materials. The materials like lamination, self-adhesive vinyl, outdoor stickers, floor lamination, and we do digital printing in one-way vision, frosted stickers, vehicle branding, and many more materials. You can see some water bottles inside. Now we are inside the shop. This is a shop with only samples, so it is little clumsy, but you can see plenty of samples here, which all the customers samples we made it, and these are all samples you can come and visit here in the branches. These are all acrylics we made it customized, and all type of tabletops we can make it, and this is all bags we can supply. So we have laptop bags, we have school bags and everything. We have more than 100 above models here, just only the samples, all in warehouses. We do hotel supply accessories, like we make all type of boxes here, customized boxes, and we do have all type of glasses. You can see that for the coffee mugs and coffee trays and everything. So it depends upon the size and quantities. We can brand your company name and we can supply it. And as well as we do see the uniforms here. We make uniforms for kitchens. We make uniforms for the customers, for the companies, and we do have ladies bags. We do have sanitizers and everything for the offices. Presently in the corona time, we do have a sanitizer stock also. We can supply you 500 ml, 200 ml, and everything. And these all a few display stands. You can see now these all few display stands like menu boards, snap frames, light boxes, and the zigzag stands, wooden menu stands. And we do see the partition stands. They will call us Q stands and everything. And this is called profile. You see all type of profiles. Whenever if you want to make any exhibition stalls, and we can make the frames through by this profile. So we have all profiles 2 meter and 3 meter available here. And once you make a profile, the lightning, all the transformers and LEDs all are available. So we supply inks for the machines, all the inks, eco solvent inks and everything is there. We do gym, this yoga mats and everything. We have some display stands for the interiors is available. When you come to the safety vest, yes, we do have a versatile safety vest here. This safety vest with the basic rates and for the supervisors, and we do have a 3M brand. We do customizations like this. Especially, we are very specialized in making customizations. Safety vest we can make, and we can supply coveralls. So when you come to coveralls, you can see a lot of colors like blue, gray, white, green, yellow, orange. All type of coveralls are available here, and we have blouses, and we do have a versatile t-shirts. So when you come to a t-shirts, so people be having a lot of usages and different type of t-shirts for different climates. So we do have 100% cotton t-shirts here. So you can see that, and we do have a polyester mixed with the t-shirts, and we do have a dry fit. This is purely a dry fit t-shirt. We are bringing from India, more than 16 colors we have, and it's only available with us dry fits in 16 colors. And we do have a customization t-shirts, like any model if you draw, we can make customization t-shirts for you, and depends upon your models. You can see an example model. So if they want hand a different color and collar a different color, or we can make it for the customers. So you can see in models, this for the cafeterias, restaurants, and all the places they used to make customization t-shirts, we can make it. So you can see different models here. This is for the jersey t-shirts for the sports. So people used to wear a jersey t-shirts when they are participating in sports. So we supply jersey, depends upon the brands, we can print their names in jersey t-shirts. So when it comes to kits, actually, yeah, we have a beautiful kids t-shirts here. So if you see the schools, the people for the kindergartens and all this one, they'll be having from a small ages, from pre-KG to fifth standard or sixth standard. We'll be having all the various types of t-shirts here in all the colors. More than 15 colors is available here, and it's a very good quality. You can print screen printing in this, or we can do embroidery or rubber coated, all this one we can do it. Now we'll come to the paper bags. So this is all about paper bags. This paper bags will be having a start from shopping bags. So many models, so many sizes are there. We will make customization, depends upon your bags. Like brown bags is there. We do have a different type of shopping bags we make, and we do have this type of bags. When it comes to jute bags, yes, we'll be having a lot of models in jute bags also. So we can print the models in jutes and shopping bags, depends upon your customer branding names and other things. And finally, ID cards. We can make all type of ID card tags and ID cards printings here. We have your own machines. And when it comes to the shop, you can see maximum cap printings, and we print in electronics, we print in keyboards, keychains, we print in keypads, we do print in like this type of small beautiful bags. We can brand your print, even we can supply the bags from China and other countries, very quality bags. And this is a small video I would like to share about my company, and please welcome. And my address is Alfaris Mall. Company name is Fully Signed Advertising Requisites Trading LLC, Alfaris Mall, and it's near Dubai Bowling Center. And our location, you will be getting all the solution in one point of contact. So if you want a digital printing, or if you want an acrylic fabrications, or if you want a customization in acrylic, you want a signboard, or if you want corporate gifts, or if you want any types of electronics like USB, pen drive, memory card, power banks, we can bring a lot